What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new retractable bed step for your 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500. Let's get into it.
Introducing our retractable bed step for 2019 and newer model Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks. Our retractable bed step makes it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down onto the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video applies to 2019 and newer Chevy and GMC 1500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer.
So to make the install of your retractable bed step as easy as it can be, we're going to go ahead and assemble it on the bench and walk you through that, and then we're going to throw it on the truck as a fully assembled unit. To start the process of assembling our bed step, we're first going to grab the retractable step mechanism here, and then we're going to take our main support bracket that will have the 3 corresponding holes. Using the regular hex bolt, lock washer, and flat washer, thread in the 1 hole that is by itself, and then take 2 combo bolts provided in the kit, and then thread them into the holes that are next to each other. Now that they're all threaded in, we can take a 13mm socket and actually tighten these down. At this point, we're now going to grab our secondary support bracket, and we're going to line up these 2 corresponding holes on the side of our main bracket and our secondary bracket, and take 2 of the provided combo bolts and thread these ones in there. And unlike the other ones we just did, we're going to leave these ones just a couple turns in so they're holding the bracket in place, but we're going to need to make sure that we have a lot of adjustability within these so we can line this up on the vehicle. For our next step, we're going to take our Boost Auto step pad, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to line up these T-bolts that came in our kit. We're going to slide them into the channels. Make sure we get 2 in each channel. We're going to want to make sure that they're staggered like this setup here, and then we're going to go ahead and bolt these onto our step mechanism. Now we're going to be lining up these bolts with our step mechanism. And like I said before, we want to make sure that we have these pretty staggered, so you have 1 bolt in each slot. We're then going to take a washer and then 1 of the lock nuts, and we're going to thread it onto each one of these T-bolts. And then like before, we're going to leave these ones relatively loose so we still have a wide range of adjustability once we have these mounted onto our truck. And now with that thrown on there, we're ready to throw this onto our truck. We just finished assembling our bed step, and now we're going to be mounting it onto the truck. We're working under the driver's side of the bumper, so we're going to be installing your bed step right around here.
Before we can go ahead and install our new bed step, we're going to need to remove a couple components first. So we're going to need to remove this support bar here, and then these 2 nuts here. We're going to start with the support bar. It's going to be a 21mm nut. And with the nut removed, we can remove the lower bolt holding the support bar on the bottom of the bumper. And finally, the 2 18mm nuts that are holding the bumper in place.
All right, guys, with all your hardware now removed, we're going to go ahead and install our bed step. We're going to line up the 2 supporting brackets on these studs and then the hook on this stud up here. Make sure we slide it over the top, and then make sure that upper bracket is hooked onto the top of the stud there. With everything lined up, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the 2 nuts that were on the bumper.
Next, reinstall the 21mm nut on the top stud. Now tighten the other 2 nuts on the bracket.
We can finally now line up our step pad however we'd like, and then tighten it down. All right, guys, that's a wrap. And if you want to check out what else we have to offer for your truck, head on over to our website at boostauto.com. I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.